This is Nafising bus.
Because I'm here to make a difference. Inshallah, I will make a difference. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Great honor for me to be part of Bangladesh cricket system now. So I'm looking forward very much. I remember, yes, after 92 World Cup, when we won the World Cup. I think after 93, 94, yes, I was part of the team. Always a great visit to Bangladesh because the people, local people, they are big fan of Pakistani cricketers and Pakistani people. So always same here, like we really enjoy coming here and play cricket here. Because hospitality you'll get, beautiful hospitality, and we like the food and everything here. Yes, I think the Asia Cup. Asia. Yeah, I think so. I can't remember. Yes, when we got 300 plus, and the game was something. I remember that 98 was last time as a player I visited to Bangladesh. As I said, it's a very challenging, great coaching skill point of view, as a player point of view. The condition and everything is totally different to other world. So you have to adopt and you have to be very proactive to understand your cricket here, basically. So it's always a great experience, to be honest. Coming here, like meeting people, very humble people, and as I said, as a coach, as a player, you have to be up your you got to be upright on your game, basically. Look, I always believe that, first of all, I have to believe as a coach, uh, because I'm here to make a difference. Inshallah, I will make a difference. The spin department, and also my experience over the years with the cricket, I think I can share that knowledge to the young people and the senior players, and hopefully we can make a difference, because I believe you can only coach those teams. They are coachable, and the young people are very talented cricketers, so we can pass our experience to them, and I believe that they're a very talented team and they can challenge any team. Why not? I mean, Asian people, you always go in the club cricket, net practices, there's always a leg spinner, mystery spinner, Chinaman, all the mystery spinner. But you got to be, as a local coaches, you got to, that's why my experience will come. Hopefully we can make a lots of communication through Bangladesh Cricket Board, and we can meet lots of club cricket coaches and first class coaches, and we can figure out, like if we can find a good leg spinner or good Chinaman, because now white ball cricket, especially in, it's a need to be in middle overs. You need to have a spinners who can get you wickets, and it's very important to look for mystery spinners, and inshallah we can get that. As I said, pray for us, and looking forward to deliver and execute the skill Allah gave me, and inshallah I will try to share that skill and the experience to my to Bangladeshi cricketers and to the team, and hopefully all the people who loves us love me. Thank you very much for welcome. The welcome was great, actually. From the airport I get the start getting the welcome from the people. So looking forward to actually to make them happy and stay blessed as much as they can, and my prayers will be with them. Thank you.